Another event, and this time meron tayong wedding proposal event. This is for our client Sir Ken and Miss Sandra. So they booked us siguro mga 4 weeks in advance. We talked about the songs, yung mga line up, and then signed the contract, and of course the talent fee. As always, syempre maaga ako parating nakakarating sa venue. Napakainit ng araw na to. This is around 12 noon kasi yung setup ko and soundcheck is 1 PM. So mag-i-ingress pa kami. Dala-dala ko yung one-man band instrument ko. And ito yung lugar na to is kanilang private company ng ating client. Pagdating kailangan pipirma ka ng names mo kasi papasok ka sa building nila. At ito, dala-dala ko yung one-man band instruments ko to set up. At ako lang din mag-isa. Kailangan kayanin natin tong pag-setup ng mag-isa, pagpasok ng mga instruments at lahat-lahat. Yung venue ng event nila is nasa 7th floor pa ng building. So kailangan dalawang balik pa tong mga gamit natin dito sa elevator. At pagdating nakaset up na yung kanilang proposal venue. At ako naman kailangan mag-prepare ng aking one-man band instruments. So, I have my guitar, harmonica, keyboard, chimes, beat pad, looper. Yan yung mga one-man band instruments ko. It was a seamless setup kasi mga 3 days before pa lang na pag-usapan na namin kung saang part ako kakanta, ano yung mga songs na kakantahin ko. At with the cue of our client, gusto nila yung song na specific para pagpasok ng ating couple is makapag-propose na yung ating client na si Sir Ken. So pagdating, nag-prepare na ako ng damit ko and then nagbaon ako ng pagkain dito kasi yung start ng dating ng ating client is 4 PM. So this is around mga 2 PM yata to, so medyo mahaba-habang antayan muna kasi this is a surprise wedding proposal. So we made sure na all set yung lahat, yung sound ko, yung instruments ko, yung microphone, pati yung pagmix ng music ko should be all set. At tingnan niyo naman yung yung preparation nila, napaka sweet. Grabe. Talagang prepared yung client natin for this wedding proposal. Siyempre ako nung preparation pa lang, nag-aantay na kami ng client. Medyo nanginginig na ako kasi excited din ako para sa surprise wedding proposal na ito. Ito, panoorin natin yung pagpasok ng ating client.
If I ever get a nerve, sit alone in this cafe, say you will.
Congratulations, Sir Ken and Miss Sandra, and thank you for trusting me. Nakinuha niyo ako bilang musician niyo para sa inyong surprise wedding proposal. If you want to book me for your weddings, events, at kahit sa mga surprise wedding proposals, please contact me dyan sa phone number and then sa email. I can definitely guarantee you a one-of-a-kind, one-man band music performance. At pagkatapos ng event, hindi natin iwawaldas ang kinita natin. Iipunin natin to at i-invest. Kasi naniniwala ko na hindi habang buhay bata tayo, hindi habang buhay may trabaho tayo, at hindi habang buhay magtatrabaho na lang tayo. So save for your retirement.